sugar.
You alright, Will?
No, fucking overslept.
What are you doing?
Fuck all.
What do you mean, fuck all? We got a fucking...
We've got an abandoned building to explore.
Are you fucking up it? I'm sure I will. What is it?
It's an abandoned hospital about 17 minutes away.
Well, who's going?
Fucking me, you, Josh, and whoever you can muster up from your house.
I'll keep Guinea.
It's a dark place. A scary, dark place.
Alright then, Will, so you get yourself prepared. I'm gonna get charging some camera shit and then we'll get sorted.
Yeah, sound.
In a bit, bro.
See you in a bit, brother. Bye-bye.
Please sign in. Name. Ghost hunt on location. Fuck yeah.
Idiots taking photos.
Press it. Don't press the alarm.
Yeah. We came in.
Can't imagine how your hand
Oh, this is the room where all the patients were.
We've seen this place.
Yeah, we're not smoking any of that.
Nurse manager.
You filming?
Yeah.
Wait, have we managed to get across to the other side of the building now then?
Probably. Oh, the steps going up. There's another floor, lads.
Yeah, there was another floor back that way.
Was it?
But the stairs look sketchy.
What, the ones over there? Look at the view through here.
Is it sick?
Yeah, I see that hole. Oh, look at that.
Oh man, it goes on forever.
It goes on forever. Look at the roof. I ain't been breathing in much.
Oh, wait, there's out.
There's another way into that. I nearly stepped in that hole.
Yeah, shit, I want to see the view, me.
Right, looks like we have to follow orders, boys. This is what I've been wanting to do for ages. We got so lost. Just about to say, can you turn your light on? Wait, is this that building? This is that building?
No, we've been in the end, we've been here.
This is that building then? No, should be a room down further down, isn't there?
It's a lot smaller inside than it is on the outside. I think it's because the rooms are so big.
Yeah, I get you. Which? Nah, not that door. The one to the left. What about that door there? Josh?
Oh, what is that? Yeah, like...
When did this door get here?
I've got my body.
Just shine it. Matt, take a picture of that. Your graffiti. On the wall here. It's like a quote graffiti, innit?
Well, we are.
When we walked over,
There's a big room over there.
Wait, which floor are we on?
Second. Just right. Big floor. Go.
oh mate, do you remember those S's?
Oh my god. I remember them. I used to draw them all the time. Have we been in here?
No. We haven't been in this bit. Yeah, I feel like we're in different buildings now.
Nah.
We came from it.
No, we never came here.
Me and you went down
first. Oh, we've been here. Is that where we gotta go? We gotta go this way, guys. Shine a light up there. Shine a light.
The wall on the middle.
That's Jimmy's
Where his torch is. The middle of his torch.
Oh, middle of his torch.
No, it does.
Oh my god. Keep your light on it.
What the fuck?
Jimmy fucking Savile. What? The lift? Well, that's facing the opposite way. Where the fuck?
We haven't been up yet. Yeah, but then we went the other way.
Don't go alone. Let's go up there.
We've got parents.
We've got more than one person.
We're not going alone.
Is it slippy?
Not really. Yeah, it will.
Fuck. What is it?
That's like proper machinery.
What the
That's like scary.
fuck?
We just did the exact same.
Mate,
This gives you
that is mad.
That's what I'm saying, Danny.
Where the fuck are we?
Laser.
What?
I've seen it.
It's a laser. Laser. What the fuck? Mate, look at the thing, sign on it. Don't put your hand in front of it.
Danger.
Mate, fuck this. Honestly, just fuck.
Danger.
Oh, there's a toilet. Anyone need a shit?
What the fuck is that? Look at the walls.
Mate, there's a noise.
They don't want to hear that.
Yeah.
Does it have stairs? Does it not have stairs?
It's just a shit drop. Wait, caution, door opens directly onto set. No, it doesn't, mate.
There's no stairs. Why am I always last, bros? Yeah. But there's fucking shit behind me, I'm telling you. Have we finished? Was that it?
Yeah, we've been all over that.
Alright, sick. Leave.
Glass there.
Oh, what?
Knock it out, he's arch.
Which was just glass there.
Oh, I won't go head first.
I'd go feet first,
Yeah,
mate.
feet first under.
Oh, look at him.
See everyone like the WWE entrance, you know what I mean? When they get in the ring.
Yeah, I get you.
Is shit getting caught, Josh? Yeah.
You caught on?
The joggers got caught.
Some more. B movie. MNTH.
Mate, what the fuck are we in? How we keep going?
Whoa. Come into this man.
There's the stairs.
Oh, we're not going upstairs.
Why not?
Have you seen
The floor's fucked, bro.
already?
Like, look straight up.
Yeah.
Not good up there. Look how old that machine is. Next, then we're disobeying rules.
No, smoke it.
Fuck that.
Oh, what's the thing that says above it?
Wait, that looks like dirty old bloody sheets. Why does that look so clean?
It was what they used to lay on.
Does anyone remember the way back to the window?
Oh, mate, fuck knows. There's a cell.
Let's see it. I always big off. God, what's it look like?
Mate, where are we? There's more shit. This is the maddest place we have been to.
Where's the salad then?
We'll set up a few lights. We'll set up a few lights and we'll smoke here.